Hi, welcome back. My name is Miss Jess, and today I'm bringing you another drawing prompt. Today's prompt is going to be lava bubble, soccer ball. How could you merge these two things together? Let's explore.
Lava bubble plus soccer ball. All right, we could start with a basic soccer field, having a character kicking a soccer ball toward a goal. You can see that the goalie is a lava bubble. Do you know the character that's kicking the ball? That's right, it's a shy guy. Or we could just make a soccer ball that has lava bubbles instead of the black parts of the soccer ball. One thing I would like to point out about a soccer ball is that it has two shapes in it. Actually, it has three shapes. First, it has a circle. Then it has these five-sided shapes. Do you know what they are? That's a pentagon. The black parts of a soccer ball are pentagons, and then the white parts are a different shape. There are 6 sides, those are hexagons. I think it's really neat that those two shapes can fit together in this very specific way to make a sphere. How cool. All right, these lava bubbles have turned into the soccer ball itself. Now let's see the next idea. Ooh, it's a true mashup of a lava bubble and a soccer ball. The top looks like a soccer ball. The bottom is a lava bubble. Here's Mario's foot with his soccer outfit on. And as you can see, he has burned his toe. His entire shoe and sock has burned away. I would think that from above, Mario just saw the soccer ball, not knowing he was about to kick a lava bubble. Oh no. And in this one, I have 2 teams of lava bubbles wearing 2 different colored jerseys, and they are playing on a field of lava. How cute is this?
Thank you for following along with this drawing prompt with me today. I'm sure you thought of some creative and new ideas for your own mashup. I love drawing these mashups with you, and I hope you'll join me the next time for another one. Be sure to subscribe so that you can always know right away when I post a new video, whether it's a drawing tutorial or a mashup drawing prompt or something else that is just for fun. I'll see you next time, and until then, thanks for drawing with me.